Hi guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see how Bittergourd is a savior in everyone's life. I know most of us avoid eating or rather dislike Karela due to its bitter taste. But by keeping it out of our diet, we are missing, or you might say you are losing, its health benefits. For your surprise, it is also called as vegetarian fish for vegetarians. It is one of the medicinal plants which people are not aware. For glowing skin and lustrous hair, Bittergourd has powerful antioxidants which prevents premature skin aging. If you are applying Bittergourd juice regularly to your scalp, it will decrease hair loss. It helps in treating split ends. You can apply Bittergourd juice directly to your scalp to stop hair fall, boost your immune system. Bittergourd fight viruses and bacteria and strengthens your immunity. During this corona pandemic, I suggest you to have Karela sabzi at least twice in a week to strengthen your immunity. Great for your eyes. If you or any family member is suffering from cataract problem, then Bittergourd is savior for your eyes. Relieves constipation. Bittergourd helps to ease bowel movement. Stimulates your gut cell to secrete more digestive juices. It helps to digest food quicker and better. Decreases cholesterol level. Bittergourd helps to decrease cholesterol level, which helps to support heart health. Cures psoriasis. If you consume Bittergourd juice regularly for 1 month, then it is going to improve psoriasis and other fungal infections like ringworm, cancer cells. Its juice contains an enzyme that inhibits the transportation of sugar, which lowers the blood sugar level, cutting off the food supply to cancer cells. Can stop cholera. Early stages of cholera. Take 2 tablespoons of juice of Bittergourd leaves. Mix with 2 tablespoons of white onion juice and sip this daily till you get well. Cures piles. You have to take 3 tablespoons of juice from Bittergourd leaves with a glass full of buttermilk. Take this every morning on empty stomach for about a month. When you can use the paste of roots of Bittergourd plant and apply over piles. Cure for respiratory disorders. If you are suffering from cold, cough, asthma, then make a paste using Bittergourd leaves along with tulsi leaves and mix it with honey. Consume this at least for 1 month and you will notice the magic. Fighter against the acne. If you are the one who constantly suffer from various skin related issues like acne, pimples, then by consuming Bittergourd, you can get rid of all these problems permanently. Avoids skin disorder. If you consume Bittergourd on regular basis, you are helping your skin to keep glowing. It has properties of blood purification. So, if you have dull skin, dusky skin, then start consuming Bittergourd juice. Keeps you away from looking aged. Bittergourd is packed with vitamin C. It indulges in fighting as well as eliminating dangerous free radicals. Best thing about Bittergourd is that it avoids skin from getting damaged due to ultraviolet rays. Healing properties. Bittergourd helps in regulating the clotting and blood flow, which will result in wounds healing sooner, avoiding further problems and infections. Get rid of dandruff. Dandruff is a common problem which is faced by most of us. To get rid of dandruff, you can prepare a hair pack instead of using those chemical hair packs. Just blend cumin seeds along with Bittergourd juice. If you use this hair pack at least twice in a week, at least for a month, it will definitely eliminate the dandruff from your head. Tangled and rough hair are eliminated. Just pour a bowl of bitter melon juice on your hair and let it soak for 15 minutes. Later, wash off the hair. This will smoothen the texture of your hair, again making it shiny and soft. Treats grey hair. Bittergourd can treat premature hair graying. Put some freshly extracted bitter melon juice on the strands of your grey hair. If you do this once in a week, the grey hair growth will reduce. Combats hair loss. Bitter melon juice helps in getting rid of hair loss. That too naturally. You just have to blend bitter melon juice along with a spoon of sugar. Use this paste on your hair to obtain better results. I know guys, Bittergourd is very bitter. Personally, I never liked Bittergourd, but for last 3 years, when I have learned all these benefits which Bittergourd gives us, I thought that our health is most prior subject to us than anything else. So what if it is bitter? Consume it and avail all great benefits of Bittergourd to keep your diet healthy. The most important tip of the day. Whenever you want to consume Bittergourd, you can use salt to decrease bitterness and keep it for 20 minutes. Last but not the least, if you like this video, then don't forget to press like button. If you want to get connect with us, then click subscribe button, and also you can follow us on Twitter and Facebook.